Daily math review number 2. So we're going to determine whether or not the following expressions are equivalent or equal if y equals 4. All right, so we're going to replace all of these y's with a 4. This one, we can directly replace it. This one means 6 times y, or 6 times 4, plus 9. Actually, let me All right, so when we replace our y here, when y equals 4, first of all, we have 6 times 4 plus 9. Then we have 6 times 4 and then plus 9. All right, in this case, order of operations, we have to do our parentheses first. So 4 plus 9 is going to be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So then we have 6 times 13. So 13 times 6. 6 times 3 is going to be 18. 6 and 7, you get 78. So 78 for the first one. Next one, 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 9. Well, if I have 24 plus 9 plus 4 is 13. 2 and 3, 33. Are these two numbers, 78 and 33, the same? No, they are not. So we're going to drag that circle over the no. They are not equivalent. Let's take a look down here. All right, so again, y is going to stay equaling 4. First off, we have 7 times 4 minus 15 plus 2 times 4. All right, so order of operations. 7 times 4 is 28. Bring everything else down. We still have more multiplication. 2 times 4 is 8. Bring everything else down. Now, left to right. 28 minus 15. 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get 13 plus 8. So 13 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 1 and 1 is 2. So we get 21. Next one, 9 times 4. Remember, it equals 4 minus 15. All right, so 9 times 4, order of operations, 9 times 4 is 36. And then we subtract 15. So 36 minus 15. 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. We get 21. Look at that. Is 21 equal to 21? Yes, it is. So we're going to drag that circle over the yes. And if you do need the rest of this part, you can go ahead and rewind and then pause it. Great job. That's it for the DMR number 2.